Hi there, nice to see you here. My name is Alice and I am here to introduce a revolutionary product developed by G7CR Technologies. Information technology is the most innovating and dynamic industry in the world. Staying current with the latest technology is a mainstream for every IT professional. This brings in the need for training and learning by organizations. Training costs for companies are increasing exponentially year on year. A major chunk of the training budget is taken up by technical training for IT professionals. This includes a large amount of time, money and energy spent by the resources in setting up IT infrastructure in order to provide hands-on experience. Currently, IT professionals collect the required lab setup details from the trainer and manually configure and test each participant machine hours before the training start time. G7CR introduces a revolutionary product called M4L. Machine for Learning. As the name says it all, M4L is a platform to create, access and manage training machines on the go. By using M4L, an organization can save money, time, energy and focus on core activities rather than be setting up the IT infrastructure. M4L is a cloud-based solution, accessible through any browser, allows admins to create virtual machines on the cloud, select a software template and simply assign it to a user. User can now access the machines assigned to them from any browser, any device from anywhere and start practicing labs, giving them the flexibility of learning latest technology at their convenience. M4L is here to ease the efforts of companies in providing quality learning experience for its employees. Each of the training environment is controlled in terms of resource usage. A robust dashboard makes resource monitoring easier than ever before. We are now going to deep dive into the functionalities and features of M4L. We have Mr. John with us to explain the functionalities and features.
Hello there. My name is John Smith and I will be explaining to you the functionalities and features of M4L. Users of M4L are broadly classified as admins and end users. We will first discuss the features and functionalities available to an administrator and later to a user. The admin uses his login credentials on this page to enter into admin dashboard. With M4L, admin can monitor the service health of lab machines virtually from anywhere. Admins can view the list of users online, current core usage, machine status etc. Admin gets a complete overview and access to the virtual machine. Following are the major functions an admin can perform on M4L. Add a user. Disable a user. Define templates. Define hardware configuration. Define course titles. Add courses. Register and reset password for students. Manage virtual machines. Admin can add users to his or her group individually or mass upload all users of the respective batch. Users will receive an automated email with their login credentials on their registered email ID. Admin can disable a user if the user is no longer a part of the group and all the machines assigned to that user will be auto-destroyed. Admins can make disabled users by uploading a list of inactive users. Templates. Admin can define, view, request and delete templates here. Template is a predefined golden image of a lab configuration. Cannot find a software template? Admins can send an email to cloud support at g7cr.in with the required setup and based on the software availability, G7CR will accept the request and the template will be available in 7 days from the requested date. Depending on the software required for the lab, admin can assign multiple virtual machine templates to a user. Lab configuration name is auto-generated by the system. Admin is able to add new course titles and associate to lab configurations. Admin can also view active and inactive and edit course titles. Admin can set a start date and end date for each virtual machine and the machine will be auto-destroyed on the set end date, with the message triggered to the user to save any unsaved work. After the user account is created, an automated email with login credentials is sent out to the user. Student can access M4L portal with the credentials mentioned in the email. And user can manage his or her profile and reset password. User dashboard is a consolidated view of the courses and lab environment assigned to the user and graphical representation of usage and completion status. And users can now practice labs and hands-on projects to sharpen their technical skills at their convenience. Users can toggle between different virtual machines and work simultaneously on multiple machines or lab environment. Before we conclude, let me throw some lights on the profile of global administrators. Global administrator is a role designated to an authorized person to add, deactivate and manage administrators. They enjoy greater control with access to advanced dashboard reports.
In conclusion, M4L makes it easy for admins to create, assign and manage training machines. Users can access virtual machines anywhere at their convenience. M4L helps an organization to save money, time and energy. Happy learning with M4L. Thank you.